Hello, homeowners! Looking to sell? Whether it's your first time or you're a seasoned seller, we've got some fantastic tips to help you sell your home with confidence. Hi, I'm your host of Bocaratonrealtor, Sharon Wild, and along with my partner, Brad Ress, we are your go-to realtors for all things real estate in Boca Raton, Florida. Today's lesson is for home sellers, and we have 4 valuable tips just for you. So tip number 1, first impressions matter. First and foremost is to make a great first impression. Clean, declutter, and enhance your curb appeal. A well-maintained home creates positive vibes for potential buyers, increasing your chances of a quick sale. Now, tip number 2. The goal is to sell your home and get the best price, right? Isn't that what we all want? So setting a realistic and competitive price is key. We will provide you a detailed market analysis to help you determine the best price for your property. A well-priced home attracts more interested buyers. Okay, going on. Tip number 3, showcase your home's unique features. Whether it's a beautiful garden, a cozy fireplace, or a spacious kitchen, let's emphasize what makes your home stand out in the entire market. And tip number 4, effective marketing is key. We'll create a customized marketing plan to reach potential buyers through online platforms, social media, and traditional channels. Maximum exposure means a faster sale. Selling your home should be a smooth process, and we're here to make that happen. So if you're ready to take the next step, or if you have any questions, reach out. Let's make your selling experience exceptional. Hey folks, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, we got more helpful videos coming right up.